Welcome all, and thank you for joining us today for this workshop on digital research infrastructures, which is organized by the ENLIGHT DRIs project. And I will briefly introduce a little bit the context of this workshop. ENLIGHT is one of the 20 plus European universities. And you might be familiar with some of them. The consortium is formed by 9 comprehensive research intensive universities. You can see them here: University of the Basque Country, University of Bordeaux, Comenius University, Bratislava, National University, Ireland, Galway, Ghent University, University of Göttingen, Groningen, Tartu, and Uppsala. And as you will know, this is around Erasmus Plus activities, so teaching and learning, and ENLIGHT DRIs is a satellite project which focuses on creating a joint research and innovation agenda for the consortium. And our activities focus around different activities, including open science, facilitating mainstreaming open science. And we also look into research infrastructures where consortium members are already active, but also might be able to share infrastructure. And this is our connection to today's workshop. So today we will focus on inroads into the EOSC from different perspectives, of course, from the university perspective, but also from national or large European infrastructure perspectives. So, and other activity strands which are mentioned here as well is civil society engagement, and also looking into supporting career development. So let's have a look at the agenda for today. We have our first speaker is Sarah Jones from Gions. She's a community manager there, but has a strong background in open science and long-term preservation and data management from having worked with Digital Curation Center for many years, and she's a member of the board of the EOSC, European Open Science Cloud Association. And our second speaker, I will introduce her later, is Sally Chambers, and then we have a break and 3 more presentations and a panel discussion. It's the closing part of our event. And during this workshop, please keep yourself muted. I mean, you can, of course, turn off your camera if you like, but when you would like to ask a question or a comment, please use the chat. You can do this during the whole time, and we will allow a few questions after each presentation. And also there will be opportunity to ask more questions, or we pick up questions from the chat during the panel discussion.